it's a standalone place even today.
I think everyone, every human being, at different points in life craves for something they've grown up with. Familiarity, comfort food. This is it for a Bengali.
বড় করে কাটা আলুর মধ্যে যে ঝোলটা টানে
What makes this Muitha so special? Why is it so powerful?
You can set up a place with people from here as consultants that can take any Michelin 5-star for a while, for a long ride.
Naturally, right to education, this is the most important aspect of our organization, where we give emphasis to compulsory and mandatory education for all the children, whoever comes here. First and foremost, the children come to this school. This is nursery, and then it goes to primary school. And this school not only caters to our own children, but the surrounding slum children also come and get this. About 250 children study in this primary school. And the foundation is built here only because they get complete developmental scope. They get to learn dancing, singing. They participate in district school sports competitions and yoga, karate. So physical and mental growth is being looked after.
ব্রিজ মানে ছোট থেকে বড়।
বিভিন্ন এজের আছে, স্লো লার্নার আছে, ওয়ার্কিং চাইল্ড আছে, বিভিন্ন স্ট্রিট চিলড্রেন আছে, বিভিন্ন স্টুডেন্টদের এখানে কালেক্ট করে সঙ্গে পড়ানো হয়।
কি বলে? সাদা, সানফ্লাওয়ার, লোটাস।
বোঝার ক্ষমতাটাও কম, আর পর একটা জিনিস মনে রাখতে পারে না। তখন আমরা দেখিনি ওর ভেতরে কি গুণটা আছে, কোনটা আমাকে বার করতে হবে।
Then if we go just back little to Albanga's history, the founder, Mrs. Romula Sinha, she realized just giving shelter, food, clothes, a place to stay, just was not enough. So she wanted all along that some mental health services were provided.
A lot of work is done on the self, for example, because to increase self-worth is one of the major ways in the empowerment process.
We incorporate music, movement, painting, therapeutic storytelling, and role play, just to rediscover our own self.
The concept of trust, because life prior to that for some people has never been one where they've been able to get trust, because the people they thought they could have trusted are the ones who may have betrayed them.
They have gone through unspeakable treatment, torture, abuse, trauma. They have no capacity for bonding. There's practically no sense of discipline, of regularity, of structured life, absolutely nothing.
We started a legal services clinic. Now this is accredited to the State Legal Services Authority. Now the purpose of this is that anyone asking for any sort of legal help or legal advice can come here from all walks of life. Even you can come from all walks of life.
সে যে পরম প্রেম সুন্দর জ্ঞান নয়ন নন্দন।
Our immediate plan right now is two things. One is solar paneling. Because of conservation of energy, electricity bills are whopping. We want to do rainwater harvesting because water is a basic necessity and it's always a crisis in a place like Calcutta.
We have quite a few plans. It's called ICPS. This is called Integrated Child Protection Scheme.
We want an outreach program where we want to, adapt a block of villages and we want to actually make it an ideal village where there's no trafficking. We empower the children and women there and it can be an example to the other villages.
We have to start a home for children affected with AIDS.
We need more space, we need more socially conscious people, and of course we need a huge amount of financial aid to run this whole place. I have great positivity and hope for us to grow because, it's always going to be there.
I think if you can get a good shot of this place, you'll notice that there's always chaos, but good chaos. There's always people laughing, children playing, some kind of function going on, either a wedding, an exhibition.
This line of work, you see a miracle a day if you're lucky. You see a miracle a day when you're lucky.
Well, it has made me complete.
It gives me a lot of pleasure to even think that I've been through, these years.
নাচ করে যে আমার জীবন চেঞ্জ করে ফেলবে এরাই, সেই জিনিসটা আমি জানতাম না।
A person can just walk in through the gate. Everybody is here. So they can just come wherever they're comfortable. Whatever they want to do, we are here with open arms.